Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Just a stone throw away from Northern Caribbean University in Mandeville is this multi-apartment complex. It consists of 12 apartments with a mixture of 2 bedrooms, 1 bedrooms, and studios. It sits on a quarter-acre land. The rental prospect is great in this part of Manchester due to the demand for rental by university students, civil service workers, and local and overseas visitors seeking short-term rentals like Airbnb. You could live in one of the many apartments while making a substantial income from the others. The property is currently fully rented, with all tenants willing to remain with the prospective owners if required. Call now and secure this deal. Guys, let's take a look at this apartment, and please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this apartment is Jamaican 60 million or US $389.8 thousand. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen, or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.